Welcome to Chart Traders. Today we will make a trend trading tool used by Karan in Zerodha. Retailer people are using this tool in order to do trade in intraday as well as in swing trading. So today we are going to make this tool, okay, that is TTL tool in Zerodha. So let's get started. Now in order to make a TTL tool that is used by Karan, you have to use two indicators. One is ATR, trailing stop loss, trading stop. Okay, and here plot type, instead of point just select square wave and then, and second tool that you have to use or indicator that you have to use, that is super trend. Okay, you can keep three also, but we are going to take one. Okay, now the strategy is simple. If you want to do intra trading, okay, so that shows your main trend line. Okay, whenever your price is below this line, okay, you can take an short position. Don't buy if the price is below this ATR line. Okay, in order to clear the difference between your ATR and super trend, I am going to change the color blue and black. Okay, so when the price is below this blue line, just look for the short opportunity, and when price is above this black line, just look for the buying opportunity. Okay, as you can see here, the price is below this line and price is below the super trend also, so here you can sell at this point. Okay, you can sell below this candle, that is your selling point, and we can ride this trend up to super trend generate buy signal. Okay, so there are so many setups, so many entry points are there. We can see here, you can sell here, this is your stop loss, this is your entry point, you can ride up to this point. Okay, you can exit this point here also. Okay, now in this case you can see super trend is generating signal, sell signal, when the ATR is in a above the ATR line. So we are not going to take entry here. We are going to take entry here when the price is below this super trend line and below this ATR line. So we are going to take entry at this point, below this candle. Okay, that is around 9063, this point, and we can ride up to this daily. So but the problem is this indicator in a zero that it generates so many signals, fake signal also. See here, buying signal, then again selling, buying, here we get some profit, but here, okay, no profit, stop loss trigger, here also no profit, then here we get some profit. Okay, here sell opportunity, so we will sell here and we will buy here. Okay, so mine, no more no big profit, small profit. Here we have a big profit. You can take trade according to trend. Okay, price is below the blue line and below the super trend, so you can sell here and you can ride up to the trend over. Okay, but in Zerodha it is generating more fake signal. So I already I have make a TTL tool in trading tool. The code is also available, you can download and run. It generate less signal compared to your the tool that we have included in Zerodha with the help of ATR and super trend. So the link is given below in the description box. Just watch out those videos, download the code and try to analyze or try to backtest your strategy. Okay, the tool is same as that is used by Karan. Okay, and the retailer people are using for swing trading as well as intraday trading. In this video we are just going to see the intraday trading. If you want to do if you want to see the swing trading, the link is given below in the description box. I have already made the video of how to do swing trading using TTL tool. Now, in order to backtest our strategy, that is based on trend trading tool, I am going to use Streak. Okay, if you don't know what is Streak, just watch out my video introduction to Streak. The link is given below in the description box. Now I am going to apply on a Nifty future 5-minute chart. I want to buy one lot. Okay, so when the close is higher than ATR trailing stop loss and super trend is below the close, means close price is above the super trend. What is my exit condition? Super trend crosses above the close, or we can say stop loss strictly 0.5 and target is 3 percentile. I have kept 3 percentile, you can change to 1 percentile because I want to follow the trend. Okay, so trend up I will keep up to trend over. For that I have kept 3 percentile. Okay, now save and backtest. Okay, so it shows that the 151 signals are generated over 3 months, 12 Feb to 19 May. Okay, 60 wins and 90 loss. So around we can calculate the accuracy, that is around 40 or 35 to 40 percentile. Now if you remove the brokerage, okay, so profit is around 81,000. The reason is simple, there are so many trading signals are generated around 151. Okay, and we won only in 60. Okay, maximum gain is 21,000, maximum loss is capped to minus 4,000 because of 0.5 percentile. Okay, then you can see transaction details also. Okay, so many trade happen. Now I want to modify slightly, instead of 7-1 I want to keep 7-3. okay, here also 7-3, and just we will see the performance. Okay, so 110 signals are generated, 40 we won, and profit is around 1,44,000. Okay, still so many signals are generated. Now in order to reduce, what I am going to use, I am going to use ADX. Okay, because if you are, or normally you are going to use TTL, then you can take entry. Okay, but I am going to check also that the ADX value higher than 25. Okay, save and backtest. Okay, and now signals are generated very less, that is around 78. So you can say one signal per day, 1 to 2 maximum, and 31 win. Okay, the accuracy is around 39% only, 40%. Maximum gain is 19,000 because we are following trend. We can see in a one times our account contain minus 38,000 also. Okay, and even you can I have added the ADX in order to make sure the trend is strong. That's why signal is generating very less. Okay, so you can take risk and reward according to your risk management, but the accuracy of this indicator is around 40 to 45 percentile. But with risk management you can earn with the help of TTL tool. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share it with others. Thank you.